Hello everyone, it's Unit 13 here on Scene at the Homestead. This is Update 13 for Worm Bins 2 and 3. There's a piece of footage for Worm Bin 2 here that I would normally edit out, but I put this in so we can see that there are worms around the top edge again. Just wanted to put that in here to note it. Before I continue with the current state of Bin 2, let's go back and take a look at what it looked like on August 18th. Okay, let's take a close look down here in Bin 2. What in the world's going on in here? Why are all those worms trying to get out of this thing? There is absolutely... Oh, I'm going to give it a sniff test. Okay, there's no malodors in here anywhere. I do smell vegetation. Darn it, sorry. This is like Earthquake City. Wow. Okay. They're not enough. I think there's not enough access to food in here. Goodness, I hope that's staying in focus. Well, here are places where they could have access to food, and they're not. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick once over here on this handheld. Okay. What is going on in there? It might be there's not enough access to food for everybody and they're trying to find something. I don't know. That was really completely mystifying. Look at all of them. That's amazing. Time for some high-speed trash disposal. That'll be time for the next bin. Okay, to bin 3. Before I took the cardboard off, I thought these mushrooms that were growing out of there looked pretty cool, so I wanted to take a picture of that and put it up here before I show the transition of the difference between here is what the bin looked like on the 18th after the food had been added. And here's what it looks like on the 26th. Big difference. It's pretty amazing how much they can put away. There's virtually no odor in there. I really can't smell anything. It's really neutral, like almost earthy, but not hardly earthy. That's all for Update 13 on Worm Bins 2 and 3. I'll close the video out with feeding Bin 3. This is Unit 13. I'm out. It's Unit 13 here. Did you forget to go check out the website? What are you waiting for?